All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for today's trading day. We got a minute to go. CLDC penny stock is running to the upside. IGC looking for that recovery bounce as we talked about. Hopefully, it kind of pushes a little higher, keeps squeezing out some short sellers here. That still looks pretty good. NBEV is getting smoked, kind of broke that wedge pattern as we anticipated. Now it's heading lower. So I think some respectable bounce areas on NBEV are going to be anywhere in anywhere in the like $7 to $6 area. Particularly, I like the 650 mark as a bounce area the most, but that'd be a far way for it to drop. Probably could do it very easily, actually. So we'll see. Just gonna watch NBEV here and IGC out of the gates and keep an eye on CLDC for right now. Also watching so just watching IGC here. NBEV got smoked coming out of the gates. So IGC is still pulling back pretty hard. CLDC is kind of running a little bit. It's got a pretty big spread here on CLDC. Just watching this pullback here on CLDC. Might hop in for a long play. Still got some buys coming in on CLDC. All right, I'm in long CLDC right now. Looking forward to break up over the previous high. All right, here goes CLDC starting to run. Just sold some shares on it. Still holding a little bit. Kind of struggling this push so far. All right, I'm all out of CLDC. Was getting a little spready. I was going to just lock in that nice win. A lot of buyers coming in on it, trying to hold that price up. So again, I just played a quick in and out trade there on CLDC. Netflix is getting rocked right now to the downside. Going to be watching IGC here. I think IGC might be getting ready to push. Just going to keep a close eye on it. All right, I'm getting in long here on IGC. All right, I'm in long IGC right now. I think it's getting ready to squeeze. All right, I'm in long averages of 511. It's really got to push here. This is kind of that moment of truth where you need to start breaking to the upside over this trend line. There it goes. So it's struggling. Struggle that push to the upside there. I'll give it a second here. See how it treats on this pullback. Okay, so it's pulling back, still holding up. Again, I'm still in long on IGC here. Come on, IGC, let's go. There is some negative news on it. If it starts failing to push up here, I'll be exiting. So I'm still holding long. A lot of buys coming in there at 510. Okay, there we go. Okay, we should start running here a little bit. Come on, let's go. Come on, IGC. Start picking up. There it goes. So IGC starting to pick up a little. Right now it's testing that pre-market high level, but I anticipate we're going to break through. Yeah. All right, IGC starting to run. I'm going to sell some shares there. So just sold 3,000 shares on IGC. Just sold another 3,000 shares. If it can break over 540s, it'll be a big push. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for us to get up over 540, and this would be a massive squeeze over 540. There it goes. So it's pulling back off that level of 540, but I'm going to see if we can get back over 540s and then keep squeezing because this is a short seller level. So if we can get over this and hold successfully, we should keep running. So I'm still in long with 3,000 shares. Yeah, momentum's hot to the upside. I'm going to take off another 3,000 shares. So I'm only in 3,000 shares long now. It's a beautiful trade so far, up about $3,300 on IGC here. All right, I'm going to downsize basically all my shares here in a second here. So I'm going to wait for this pullback. I'm going to see what happens after this pullback, see if we keep pushing to the upside. Again, if we can get, we're up and over at 540s level, but if we can break 552, that's kind of the ideal spot to get over 550 successfully. Starting to pull back from here. So still holding long 3,000 shares on IGC. Okay, so still holding. Yeah, if we can get over, again, it's got to push up and over here. Still got a lot of buyers coming in on it, so still pretty cool on the trade. If it fails this pullback, I'll just downsize and get out fully. So starting to sell off a bit here on this candle. I don't like the way that's performing yet. All right, we're increasing. The buys are coming in again. Here we go. So now we're up and over 540s level again. So if it can hold here on this candle for a little bit without breaking down, it's going to go on a push. So it's still holding up right at this 540s level on that candle. Buyers are coming back in. We should see this break over 550 here if we get enough buyers, obviously, but come on. A lot of sellers are just trying to keep this down. This is where the buyers got to come in and get that secondary push and squeeze out all these shorts. A lot of red print there. So if it starts breaking below 530s, I'm going to exit. If IGC pulls back and starts breaking below 530, I'm going to be out. I don't like the way that candle's opening. Lot of red prints there. All right, I'm all out of IGC. All out IGC. If it's going to keep moving higher, I'll wait for a different setup, but I'm all out there. So nice $3,000 win for me on IGC. CLDC has a nice curl to it. This looks like it's getting ready to pop. Yeah, it's starting to push there. So CLDC might be performing into an ABCD pattern. So that's what I'll watch here for CLDC. I'm not going to hop in long on this. I'm going to wait to see if a ABCD pattern occurs there. So we're going to be sitting up $3,800 on today so far. NBEV is getting smoked. So I'm going to turn my attention over to NBEV now after this big drop. All right, I'm hopping in long on NBEV. I like where it's at, this $7 mark. So I'm in long NBEV here around the $7 mark, looking for a short squeeze back up for a reversal. Okay, it's starting to push back up. Come on, big squeeze for us, big squeeze for us. All right, so again, NBEV dropped right down to that $7 price point where I was looking to take a potential reversal. It's still holding up. It's still struggling to keep pushing. Might have to take it off if it can't keep squeezing. But I'm gonna try and hold to this one candle, see if it holds up. And if it does, and the next one goes green, we should be looking at a nice reverse here. If not, I'm gonna exit fully. Okay, still holding up. Good. Yep. Come on, come on. Here we go. Should start squeezing here. I'm gonna get ready to take off some of my shares if we can get up over 720s. Come on. Come on. Got a lot of buyers sitting on the bid right now to 711, 710. Come on, squeeze, baby. There we go. Beautiful. So average on this NBEV trade, I'm in at 704. Still holding long. Do believe we're getting ready to push again on the squeeze. Would like to see it up towards 739 would be ideal. I think that is definitely possible with where we're at. Big buyers candle on the 5-minute chart too. So yeah, I'm going to keep holding long on this. Definitely have a strong conviction on the trade right now. All right, I'm taking some of my shares off there. Just took off my shares, and it's actually starting to curl back and down. So I just take off the majority of my shares there. So So I'm gonna sell some more. All right, just took off most of my shares. Only have a little bit on now. Because if this thing wants to start cooking back down, I'm gonna let it. I'm not gonna fight that. Strong push to the downside. So still in long 2,000 shares right now. CLDC is basically done for at this point. IGC, let me take a look. Oh, wow, I missed that big tear on IGC. Look at that boy go. Nice run. Dang. It's all good. I mean, I'm still in a good trade here on NBEV. I might even add a little bit to this trade here, anticipating we might start popping again. No, I'll hold off. I'll just hold off. We're in a good trade. Not going to mess up the average. Yeah, NBEV is very close to going on another push to probably about. I think it'll probably push up closer to like 740 if it really has a nice pop here. Yeah, I want to see this up at 740 will be ideal. Still in long 2,000 shares. All right, people are rejecting it right off the 9. So I'm gonna sell a little bit here. Getting ready. Okay, it's popping up to the 9 moving average. Looks like it's trying to break that 9 right now. Okay, more buyers stepping in there. Okay, sellers are backing off for a quick second. All right, I just sold another 1,000 shares. Only have 1,000 shares on right now. I mean, that's a very nice bounce, nice reversal trade. So just sizing out of it properly all the way up. So far we made about $1,369 on this reversal trade on NBEV. I might even add some shares in for a break over 737. Would be a break over the previous 5-minute candle, 5-minute red candle, that is. Yeah, over 737, I might take a position and add in long. 737 is this like red line on this white line right there. All right, just added and it broke that previous 5-minute candle, so just added in long there for another play to the upside. So currently in 6,000 shares long now. We'll look to take all these off if it starts struggling. Looking for it to push up towards the VWAP. It's got to go over the what is this, like 745 level, 750s. Yeah, let's go. Come on, up and through that, up and through that. Let's go. Short sellers are getting nervous. Squeeze them out. Let's go. Come on. Over 745 is that level it needs to break now. A lot of prints coming in green there. We can get over that 745. We'll probably squeeze right towards 760s. Okay, it's struggling. I might get ready to take it off here. Wow, a lot of buys coming in there still. So still holding on NBEV long. It's turning to red now. I'm all out of, just took all out on NBEV. So all out. Failing that 745 levels. Could keep going, but it's all good. All right, so we're gonna be sitting up $5,500 on today's trading so far. Oh wow, that thing might, well, it might actually squeeze up. And I took it off just a, yeah, it's probably gonna break now. Yeah, I took it off just a hair too soon. Watch this thing squeeze right to the VWAP. Yep. Look at it. Boom. Tough luck. Tough luck sometimes. No problem. Hmm. So what else? Well, all right, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you tuning in on this video when you watch it on YouTube, thank you guys once again for tuning in as always. The first link in the description of the video will be to join our premium chat room service and join in and trade with us live and into our chat room and all the other services we provide. So as always, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next video.